Hello, students. Today we will learn bird names from A to Z. Let's start. For Albatross. B for Bananaquit. C for Chicken. D for Duck. E for Eagle. F for Falcon. G for Goose. H for Hummingbird. I for Ibis. J for Jay. K for Kingfisher. L for Lapwing. M for Macaw. N for Neddicky. O for Owl. P for Pigeon. Q for Quail. R for Roseate Spoonbill. S for Sardinian Warbler. T for Toucan. U for Umbrellabird. V for Veery. W for Woodpeckers. X for Xema. I for Yellowhammer. Z for Zebra Finch.